Welcome to the Audio Masterclass podcast. Today's topic is the best hardware equalizer ever. So you don't want to use a plug-in EQ, you want good old-fashioned hardware muscle to handle the frequency balancing labor. So where to go? I'm David Muller, Course Director of Audio Masterclass. By the way, there are some photographs to go with this podcast, and obviously I can't show them here. So you'll need to go to the Audio Masterclass newsletter website, which is audiomasterclass.com/newsletter/the best hardware equalizer ever. Put hyphens instead of spaces. Okay, here we go. The first image that you'll see on the website shows the Clark Technic DN360 hardware graphic equalizer. It's a classic and one of the best. I know because I've used this model on several occasions. It's a pleasure to set up, to operate, and to hear the results it can achieve. So, is it the best hardware equalizer? Or maybe any of the other similar products from other manufacturers? Or, as an alternative to a graphic equalizer, would a parametric EQ possibly be better, such as the Neve 8803, $2,000 worth of the hardest of hardware? But there's another way to own and use a hardware equalizer, and the pictures you'll see on the website show an Apple Mini Mac computer, a Focusrite Scarlett audio interface, and the FabFilter Pro Q3 EQ plugin. What I'm showing you here is not your regular computer or your regular digital audio workstation. This is an extra computer, an extra audio interface, and an EQ plugin. Oh, you'll need host software for the plugin, but you'll probably find something free on the web. The extra computer is a Mac Mini. I've chosen that because it could be quite old and quite cheap. A 10-year-old second-hand model will work perfectly well. The audio interface that I've shown on the website is a modern Focusrite Scarlett, which is good both in audio performance and low cost. The plugin that I've shown is the FabFilter Pro Q3, which I'm going to say has massively more capability than any real hardware equalizer out there. So you can use this setup in addition to the equipment and software you have already. And it is, in effect, a separate hardware EQ. Need I say more? An old computer, an inexpensive interface, a free digital audio workstation, and powerful software. Surely this must be the best hardware equalizer ever. I'm David Muller, Course Director of Audio Masterclass. Thank you for listening.